Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Well, after I did the unboxing, which I showed yesterday, about 2 hours later when Danny was going to go home, the UPS guy came back in and dropped off a second box. So, get the knife out again, my everyday carry. And, oh, okay, so it's got across the top here, so. There we go. And there we go. The 5-stage water filters for the countertop water filter. So, which is a good thing they showed up when they did, because that filter there is just about 2 years old now. And so it's time to replace it. And before some of you freak out and go, 2 years, man, that's way too long. Well, 90% of the time it's just me drinking from it. Whereas they're supposed to be last for a year for a family of 2 or 3. So it's about right time for it. So I'm going to go ahead and change that up later today. But definitely, these were on sale as well. So it's a good thing I waited till I ordered them. And I will put the links to these down below, if I remember, in the description down below. All right? And so, before I take off though, I'm going to put the link up here to my other channel, Gray Man Prepping. And then I'm going to put a link up here to for unboxing and mail calls and stuff like that over here. All right? Take care. See you around.